This is Kevin from Superwave Laser Technology Corporation. Now I want to introduce you our 500 watt fiber optic laser welding systems. This laser welding systems is one host unit. This 500 watt laser welder host unit with two branch fiber optic laser head. This fiber optic cable cannot be bent. It's easy damage. Now I want to show you how to do installation of the machines. This one is the 4-axis workbench. This is the lighting. This for the protection gas. For example, argon gas. This is the Z-axis. Is controlled moon up and down by motorized. This X-axis, Y-axis, and we can connect this extra axis. Normally we connect rotary jig. This is another workbench, 4-axis linkage. This one is the laser focus head. Computer display. This is the CCD camera. This is the display of the CCD camera. This one is the power plug for the CCD camera. This one is the singular plug. And these two buttons for adjust the crosshair in the display to moon XY, moon up and down, and moon left and right. Now we see the behind. This one is the laser singular 2. And this 4-pin is the dual footer switch. The main power for this workbench is single phase AC power, 220 wattage, 50 Hz. This one is the air inlet. Normally we use argon air. This is the this must connect to the chiller for cooling the laser head. This water inlet connect to the outlet from the chiller. Water outlet connect the water inlet from the chiller side. This water tube no direction, but this one has direction. Don't make a mistake. This for cooling is 8 mm water tube. This is the water singular. It's 2-pin cable. Must connect to the chiller. This laser single 2 connect to the workbench 2. This connect another workbench. Now I show you how to do connection. This fiber optic cable must handle with care because it's easy damage. Don't bend. This D80 connector, you can see there is a gap in this connector. Must match the gap, then lock the screw. Don't bend like this. It's easy damage. And this too. Because this one is the 500 watt laser host systems, so one of each laser head can get 250 wattage, 250 watt. This is a computer. This is emergency switch for the workbench. Computer. Start, power. This one is the power switch for the CCD camera. This one is the switch for the motor. Underneath CNC 2000 is the workbench CNC control software. This moves the Z-axis down. Now we can see the screw very clear. This direction is Y-axis, this direction is X-axis. And we will send you the how to use this software later. Program and select Program Online. We use the video to tracking the welding saw. Then we press run button. The machine will running automatic. Now we don't connect the host systems, so no laser output. This is the G code. We can change the moving speed. The F200 is the speed. I can change it to 500. It can move more fast and safe. We try to running again to see the video. Yeah, it's moving more fast. And this is the host systems. This is the main power switch for the host unit. This for turn on, this for turn off. Turn on and check the emergency stop. Turn on power switch, then we can operate in the touch screen. It's English version. This is the extra power for the workbench. We can the two workbench can connect to this panel. Open the box. Here, rotary this, and turn left. Then it's open. We can connect the plug. This is 220 voltage. Then the workbench connect here. Thanks for watching.